United Kingdom supports education and healthcare of Palestinian refugees. The United Kingdom, a Shining World Wise Leadership Award and Shining World Leadership Awards for Animal Protection and Kindness Laureate, has contributed an additional $20.7 million to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East, or UNRWA. This funding will assist with education for over 533,000 children and medical services to approximately 3.5 million Palestinian refugees in the Middle East. Furthermore, emergency food supplies will be distributed to more than 1 million refugees across Gaza, while $7.8 million of the donation will be used to ensure vital assistance to 438,000 Palestinian refugees in Syria. The latest donation brings the UK's total 2020 support for UNRWA to $66 million. Much gratitude, the United Kingdom, for your care and generosity to Palestinian sisters and brothers. We pray for all refugees and displaced persons around the world to find shelter in heaven's abundant generosity.
Report reveals worsening health due to global warming and red meat consumption. The recently released Lancet Countdown on Health and Climate Change report, with contributions from over 120 international researchers, has revealed that the warming climate is adversely affecting the health of the world's citizens. It stated the effects are often unequal, disproportionately impacting populations who have contributed the least to the problem. This fact reveals a deeper question of justice. The report noted a 53.7% increase in heat-related mortality in people older than 65 years, reaching a total of 296,000 deaths in 2018. In addition, global yield potential for major crops declined by 1.8 to 5.6% between 1981 and 2019, and infectious disease transmission has been growing rapidly since the 1950s. Regarding climate change mitigation, the report discussed plant-based alternatives to eating red meat as important in reducing emissions and improving health, as there were 990,000 deaths globally in 2017 due to high red meat consumption, a 72% increase since 1990. Our gratefulness to the Lancet and all researchers involved in this report for your urgent warning of the dire situation we face. In celestial wisdom, may all humanity stand together and quickly make the required changes, including adopting the vegan diet to ensure our health and ongoing survival.
Photograph of doctor embracing coronavirus patient touches the hearts of many. Dr. Joseph Verone, Chief of Critical Care Services at United Memorial Medical Center in Houston, Texas, United States, was photographed hugging an emotionally elderly COVID-19 patient while the doctor was dressed in full personal protective equipment. The photo, taken by Go Nakamura of Getty Images, went viral. On the Good Morning America show, Dr. Verone mentioned that the photo, which he didn't know was being taken, occurred on his 252nd consecutive day treating coronavirus patients. While working shifts of up to 16 hours and constant phone calls means he sleeps little at night. The caring doctor described the anxiety and isolation many COVID patients feel in the hospital and the frustration of healthcare workers that many people are not following COVID-19 safety guidelines. Our respect and warmest gratitude, Dr. Joseph Verone and colleagues, for your devotion and noble work. May we soon embrace much brighter tomorrows in divine benevolence.
Scientists determine method to track emissions from ships. A team of international scientists have written a paper describing a method to track the nitrogen dioxide emissions from ships. Their technique utilizes data from the European Space Agency's Copernicus Sentinel-5P satellite, which detects patterns in sun glint, or the reflection of the sun off the ocean. From this data, the emissions from individual ships can be closely tracked and will help authorities to ensure vessels are complying with regulations. It is estimated that each year 400,000 people lose their lives prematurely and 14 million children develop asthma caused by pollution from ships. We applaud you, scientists, for your advancement in the monitoring of ocean vessels to ensure their emissions are limited. In God's grace, may your project help to speed up the conversion of ships to emission-free technology as we strive to keep our air clean.
Australian woman honored for innovative work with individuals experiencing homelessness. Donna Stoltenberg, an Indigenous woman with 5 children, is the founder and chief executive of the Melbourne-based National Homeless Collective. For her passion and creativity in assisting the homeless and less advantaged, she was recently recognized as Victorian Australian of the Year, a prestigious award for excellence and service. One example of Ms. Stoltenberg's endeavors is the Kala Space Initiative, which brings together a thrift store, community gathering area, and meditation space, operated by women living without homes as well as volunteers. The flexibility of choosing their own work schedule has proved key to helping the women cope with their challenges and move towards stability. Ms. Stoltenberg's wish is that in the future, people experiencing homelessness would be accommodated in the workplace. Congratulations, Donna Stoltenberg, and heaven bless you. We join in offering our heartfelt appreciation for the light and love you bring into the world.
United States tennis champion adds vegan protein company to her many accomplishments. Venus Williams, considered one of the all-time greats of women's tennis, has established the vegan protein company Happy Viking in collaboration with beverage company Dyla Brands. In 2011, after suffering from an autoimmune disorder that caused extreme fatigue and joint pain, she decided to adopt a plant-based diet. This improved her condition and enabled her to return to court to win multiple championships. Happy Viking is the culmination of her nutritional expertise gained during the previous decade. Each plant-based protein shake consists of complete body-mind micronutrients to provide optimal post-workout recovery and nutrition, including essential amino acids, micronutrients, as well as DHA omega-3 and sunflower oil for brain power. Way to go, Venus Williams! In the nurturing love of the Providence, may we all enjoy the benefits of the plant-based champion's diet.
Baskin Robbins in India releases vegan ice cream flavors. The Baskin Robbins ice cream chain, which is headquartered in the United States, released 2 vegan versions of their most popular offerings in India as flavors of the month. The Alfonso Mango contains juicy pieces of the world-famous Indian Alfonso Mango and coconut milk. The other new veganized flavor, Mississippi Mud, is also made from coconut milk and includes brownie pieces and a fudge ribbon. The company announced its new items with a post on social media, starting with, "Hey vegans, we hear you." Such delectable-looking ice creams, Baskin Robbins India. May your whole range soon be plant-based as we embrace the cruelty-free win-win vegan way in heaven's delight.